Hello, my name is Bonnie. I'm with Student Financial Aid and Scholarships at the University of Kansas, and today we're going to talk about verification.
Before talking about verification, however, it's important to know what the FAFSA is. FAFSA is an acronym that stands for the Free Application for Federal Student Aid. You must file the FAFSA to qualify for most types of financial aid, including federal grants, work study, student loans, as well as most state and institutional financial aid programs. The FAFSA will ask for things such as household size and financial information from you and your parents, and you must file it each year you'd like to receive federal financial aid. To make the FAFSA easier, the Department of Education built in a tool called the IRS Data Retrieval Tool. The IRS DRT allows you and your parents to transfer filed tax information directly from the IRS to your FAFSA. Using the DRT ensures accuracy, saves time, and can make verification that much easier. With all of that said, some parents and students may not be able to use the DRT for a number of reasons. No worries though. In that case, with your tax forms by your side, you'll just enter the information manually. Now that brings us to why we're here, verification. Once you've filed the FAFSA, it's possible you may be selected for verification by the Department of Education. Verification is the process by which your school will confirm that the information on your FAFSA is correct and complete, and to ensure that you receive the correct amount of financial aid. It's important to understand that 25% of all FAFSAs are randomly selected for verification. So being selected doesn't mean that you've done anything wrong. It's just a standard process. Now, if you are selected for verification, you will be asked to provide additional information, such as how many people are in your parents' household, who they support financially, is it just you attending college, or will a sibling be attending as well? Or if you or your parent were unable to use the data retrieval tool, then copies of tax returns may also be required. Different schools will have different processes for verification, but they all boil down to a couple of simple things. You will complete a verification worksheet and then possibly be asked to provide supporting documentation. The most valuable pieces of advice are to take your time, read the instructions thoroughly and follow them, and make sure you do it right the first time. Also, pay attention to whether your school has a verification deadline. If so, you will want to make sure you finish up verification before that deadline so that you don't miss out on any additional aid. Most importantly, though, do not give up. Make sure you finish your verification because if you don't, you cannot qualify for financial aid. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. That's what we're here for. Your college's financial aid office can help you understand exactly what you need to provide and how to provide it.
So, to summarize, once you file your FAFSA using the data retrieval tool that we talked about and you are chosen for verification, you'll want to take your time, follow instructions, and most importantly, ask questions if you get stuck. Thank you for listening, and I hope to hear from you soon. If you have any questions, I'm here to help.